Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I want to talk to you about pandemic money saving programs that are available both through your private financial institutions as well as through the CARES Act. Now, many of these programs are set to expire at the end of the year, so I want to make sure that you understand what's available to you and you can take advantage of it while they are here right now. So if you have a credit card bill and it is a challenge for you to pay that credit card bill every month during the pandemic, perhaps you are unemployed, your work has been affected, you're on unemployment, or maybe you haven't received unemployment and you are just scraping by, you are able to reach out to your credit card company and see if they are offering deferred credit card payments. Now, many major credit card companies right now are not requiring you to pay your monthly payments. They are deferring them into a later date. That doesn't mean that you don't have to pay your balance off. However, it does mean that you don't have to make that payment that month, that it can be deferred into a later date. So, how can you get this or find out if your credit card company is offering this? Well, most likely on your credit card's website, under their COVID-19 information page, they will have information on this. So head over first to your credit card company's website. See if they have a COVID-19 pandemic information page, and if they do, click on it and see if you see any options to have your payments deferred.
So what if your credit card is either not offering payment deferrals, or perhaps you've already deferred your payments as long as they would possibly allow? Well, one thing to consider is perhaps opening another credit card that offers a good 0% APR introductory rate and transferring your balance. That way you're able to transfer your balance. You are not being charged massive bank fees every month on your credit card bill. So I'm linking down below in the video description NerdWallet's 3 excellent balance transfer credit cards of 2020. These have a 0% intro APR on balance transfers for between 15 to 18 months depending on which card. So you guys, just another idea to consider in case you really need that extra help of not having those credit card payments.
Next, if you have a car and you have car insurance, many car insurance companies right now are offering a discount on your monthly premium. They know that many people are staying home right now. Many people are working remotely from home or are furloughed for work and not able to go in, traveling less, etc. But many car insurance companies right now are offering a decreased premium. Now, some companies are applying this automatically, while others you have to request a decreased premium. And some car insurance companies will not be offering this, but it is worth checking it out. If you don't see a COVID-19 page on your car insurance website, then make sure you call into customer service and ask them if there is any way to decrease your monthly premium because your mileage per month has significantly decreased. For my own personal car insurance through Progressive, right now my premium is decreased by $35 a month. They did this automatically. I didn't have to call in or ask anything. They did it automatically. However, if your car insurance company is not enacting something automatic, call into customer service and see if they're able to lower your premium based on your current mileage. Next, I want to talk about the eviction ban or eviction moratorium. Now, this is not something that is going to save you money because you will be obligated to pay your balance that you incur in rent charges that are late later on down the line. So this is by no means a fix to this problem. However, currently the Center for Disease and Control Prevention has enacted a residential eviction ban through the end of the year for most tenants. Now, tenants facing eviction do need to apply for the relief from their landlords using the declaration at the bottom of the CDC form. I'm going to link the form down below. Now, you must prove that you were unable to pay rent because of COVID-19 and that you used your best efforts to apply for other types of government housing aid, including local emergency assistance programs available in your state. This is by no means a solution to your problem if you cannot pay your rent, because eviction moratorium means that you cannot be evicted if you can't pay your rent. However, you are obligated to pay that balance that you incur later on down the line. So this is a temporary fix if you cannot pay your rent. This aid is set to expire at the end of the year unless a stimulus package is passed which extends it.
Before you stop paying rent and try to seek out eviction moratorium protection, you first want to explore the resources available on the National Low Income Housing Coalition. Now, this is a compiled resource of state and local rental assistance, and you can view your specific state and city and county here, and you can view a list of available programs in your area. Now, some of these programs you'll notice are closed, and some of these programs are listed as accepting applications. So if you visit this website, I'm going to link it down below, you can look up your state and your city, and you can see if there's anything here available for which you can apply in order to receive some rental assistance.
So what if you own your house and you cannot pay your mortgage? Well, if you have a federally backed loan and are experiencing financial hardship due to COVID, you can still request a 6-month deferral on payments or temporarily lower your mortgage payments for 6 months. The CARES Act doesn't specify how long you can request this relief, but it's likely available as long as the COVID-19 emergency is still ongoing. Additionally, mortgages that are backed by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the FHA, USDA, and the VA are protected under an eviction moratorium that lasts until at least December 31st, 2020.
Next, I want to talk about pandemic unemployment assistance. Now, many of my subscribers subscribe to me because I provide unemployment assistance videos. However, you guys, if you are new to my channel, you might not know that during the course of the pandemic, one of the provisions of the CARES Act grants unemployment benefits to those who would not normally qualify for them. So if you are a business owner, if you're self-employed, an independent contractor, a gig worker, if you have limited work history, such as if you were given a promise to start a job but it was canceled due to COVID, or if you have to stay home to care for a sick family member or a child due to COVID, or other various reasons that are pandemic related. Well, normally you would not qualify for unemployment insurance, but due to the CARES Act, you do. So now this is set to expire as of December 31st. However, you can retroactively backdate your claim.
The last money-saving topic I want to go over is affiliated with the CARES Act. However, it's not quite money-saving, it's more money-making. If you are on unemployment benefits or you are applying for unemployment benefits, many people don't know that you may be eligible to retroactively backdate your claim as early as February 2nd. Now, this doesn't increase your claim balance. You're not going to get more money by doing that. But if your claim is backdated as early as 2/2, as long as you receive unemployment benefits for weeks 329 through 725, those are the weeks where the additional $600 boost to unemployment was applied. For those weeks, people on unemployment, pandemic unemployment, and the extensions received an additional $600 per week to their unemployment benefits. So if you are eligible to backdate your claim, that would be the benefit. You would receive those additional weeks times $600 added on top of your regular unemployment claim. So if you are eligible for that, or if you think you might be, you can apply to have your claim retroactively backdated. The EDD may deny your request. However, if you feel that you do qualify for that retroactive backdating and you don't want to miss out on that $600 boost to those weeks 329 through 725, it may be worth applying. I have a how to apply.
Next, I want to show you the CDC's resources for food services. Now, if you need assistance with food for either children or for yourself as an individual or your family, the CDC has compiled a list of resources for getting food assistance through various programs. This link is available down below in the video description.
I want to talk about student loan forbearance. Federal student loan payments remain on auto deferment until January 2021. That means that they will automatically be deferred and not due until that date. Really, for private student loan borrowers, is going to depend on your loan servicer, as will any agreements made on other financial products not included in the CARES Act, such as credit cards, auto loans, etc. So if you have a private lender as not federally funded, you need to make sure that you check with that specific lender. Go to their website, see if there's any information available online first in a COVID-19 FAQ section. If it is there, they most likely will state it online if it's available. However, if it's not there, I would strongly encourage you to call into customer service and ask about loan deferred payments.
Next, I want to talk to you about pulling out money early from your retirement account. Now, if you are someone that has an individual retirement account, the CARES Act has waived the 10% early withdrawal penalty. Now, normally, if you pull out money from your retirement account, before you are 59 and a half, you have to pay a 10% early withdrawal penalty. Now, among other things, the CARES Act eliminates the 10% early withdrawal penalty if you are under the age of 59 and a half. 1/3 of the money that you withdraw will be included as income in your taxes for each of the next 3 years unless you elect otherwise. The CARES Act also allows you to pay back what you withdrew from your accounts if you're able to do so.
Apply for retroactive backdating video on my channel homepage. Hey you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below.